Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Smooth Love Portion update for Wednesday 23 of March. I hope you guys are doing very good. In my country here it's like holiday, but we don't sleep during Bitcoin, okay? We don't actually uh, leave the charts alone because we love reading charts regardless if it's a holiday or not. And very quickly, if you want to learn technical analysis the way I've been doing things, predicting all this stuff, I do have a course for you. Play the video, check it out, or join our Discord, guys. The Discord is absolutely free right now. Anyway, let's move on with SLP. Now I do know it's a very slow mover right now, but yesterday we talked about how there are 3 more days for the apex of something that is bullish again. If I dive into the 4 hour time frame, you guys are going to notice that we're putting in an ascending triangle, and this is a very very bullish pattern. Okay, so the technical target for this ascending triangle takes you from top to bottom. This is where you're about to break out. Now the apex comes in by 25th of March, but it could happen that you break out tomorrow or today, and then you're gonna move to 210. Okay, so this is gonna be a price push from there to there, like 17-18%. Now this, guys, is not financial advice here, but it's just chart reading. And we do know that there's a possibility for this to break to the downside, and if it does go down, you're gonna come back to the 154. So don't be biased on the fact that you're still gonna go up, but the likely scenario, the way that all the other coins are moving to the upside, going up is makes more sense than going to the downside, because so many altcoins are breaking out. It doesn't make sense for the SLP to start to calm down, but anything can happen, guys. Nonetheless, I don't control the crypto market. If you start to see it rolling down, that's it. Okay, but it could even make a fake out and then boom, go to the upside. So always wait for the confirmation. It breaks out, comes back, fail the retest, it's gonna go down, because you might do textbook fake out, go down, boom, go to the upside. And all of this stuff is on the trading course. If you want to learn and learn and learn, and even way more stuff than all of these things, or how I've been predicting so far accurately this coin, you can check the course and be good on your own if you want to step up your technical analysis game. Now to me, SLP is still looking good. I want to dive into the daily time frame as well. Let's talk about the daily EMAs. So here we are, and it seems like the 10 and the 20 very very soon are gonna have a cross. Okay, so you might see the 10, the 20 have a cross once it breaks out of this ascending triangle, and you can see that you're about to go to the 198. But if you actually start to break the ascending triangle, you're gonna go where? To the 210, which actually crosses the 55 as well, comes down, make a bullish cross from here, and then boom, you take over to the next target, which potentially I do think SLP is gonna go to the 0.07, let's say 72 right there. This is my price prediction, at least in the short term, or the midterm, if you want to say, very very near here. I'm just going to mark this price level up there. So I do see SLP down the road going up to those price levels. I'm just going to delete the drawings here. And to me, guys, it's a very slow process, but a nice good process nonetheless. But I'm gonna tell you, yesterday I even talked about this technical target in details. It's not a confirmed one, but it's just a prediction. Okay, it's not confirmed on the chart that you're actually gonna go there, but it's just a solid prediction. And the prediction came from the fib settings, that if you take this top to the bottom here, if that was your bottom potentially, so where's your next impulsive move? It's actually 744 to 1.618, because you might just go up like this, make a bullish cross the 284. Now the biggest condition for that is that you must cross the 284. Now to me, guys, it seems very possible that it's gonna cross this high. And once you cross that high, there's big chance of actually going to this place and attacking that place, and even continue further up. You might just come here, take a resistance, come back to the 410, and then boom, you start to go to the upside as well. Anyway, that would be amazing if you go to the 0.0744, because I'm going to tell you a very big level of resistance is going to get broken, which is this resistance right here of the 0.55. Okay, this is a huge resistance. You might even not go to the 72, but you could even find big resistance at the 55 as well. Okay, so keep that in mind. And that's the 1.272 on the fib settings as well. So guys, it's still looking good on my side. It's gonna take like two more days to actually make a decision if we're actually gonna go up or down. Until then, all you gotta do is wait. That's the only trick of the book in crypto trading. You just have to be patient, nothing else. And do check out the technical analysis code and join the Discord. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.